Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. We're going to draw a flying pose today, and we're going to show one or two different options with this. So we will put the essential framework for it. When there's foreshortening involved, flying means that we have a person like a superhero, particularly a superhero, flying toward the screen. And what we can do is start off with the dimensions that are increased. So the fist is right here, nice and large. We go back, another circle for the forearm, middle arm, delt. The other delt can coincide right here with this. I think that amount of foreshortening will be fine. And we could even place the head right here, and then go backward. And of course this is a curved position, and what we are showing is that the person, if you're looking at the person from a certain angle, and that is only a part of the body will possibly be visible from this angle. So there's the collar structure, there is the pec structure, and the ab structure will most likely go around and vanish like that. But we can have other options too, where we can have different things going. So the first thing that we'll do is put out a nice, because this is a lot of foreshortening here. We're putting in a nice big fist right there. And then this arm, we have different options that we can work with. So it's going right back. And we can have this arm placed on that angle. The other thing that we can do with this is, and we have not tried this in other videos, and that is, now let's say that we want to extend the pose, and we can easily do that. So that's lower body all crunched in right there, but we could have it's like going like this, and this is very dynamic, and there's that knee and even a part of that other leg just showing like that. So the body's like going like that, kind of like they used to do this in the older comics, but it's not very common nowadays because it's become more sophisticated, and they usually focus on highly detailed artwork and mature poses, as they call them. And then we have the other option of placing this at a lesser angle. So lesser means that, sorry, a smaller angle. So smaller placement and smaller size. So pretty much the same view except that much smaller, and we of course have to bring everything back and more crunched. So there's the forearm and there's the remainder of the arm going into the pec, and the delt is like right there. I mean, we have that extra curve going in, but it will end right here where the bicep and the delt meet. The pecs need not be any different. Let's highlight that, and it looks like really dynamic if we try this out. And we can also there's an additional option that we can work with, and that is show a bit of that other leg right there. Also used to be a very common practice in the older days of comic books. So showing a bit of the calf and the shin, and then bringing that leg out a little bit, and even showing a bit of the foot from that angle right there. So different options, same base frame. And one last thing, and that's also very, very superheroic, that is this arm tucked right back in with the fist right here. And the arm coming through like that. Very dynamic. So really miss those type of superheroic type of sketches. Please do check out your own options, and we can have a lot of fun. We have other videos, as we mentioned, on flight, and there are similar things in them, but there are also different things, and this is a different kind of placement and foreshortening. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.